So we have good news and we have bad news. Well, we have good news and then okay news. She got the green light yesterday from her ophthalmologist. Her eye is completely healed. He checked her other eye. They're both great. So we are officially done with treating the eyes right now. I'm so pumped about, oh, she's scared and nervous. We are at the animal hospital in Las Vegas because we were taking her in for her dental cleaning this morning. It's gonna be an all-day event. Oh honey, it makes me so sad. It's an all-day event, and so we thought this might be a good opportunity for us to go hike Turtlehead Peak, as long as the weather cooperates. It's been raining off and on.
It's funny, it's supposed to be 68 today, but it rained all night.
Yeah.
It's 46 degrees right now.
It's gonna be cold at the top there, so.
It snowed up on the mountains last night around Turtlehead, but
yeah,
we'll see, it's about 6,000 feet up there.
Yeah. Oh, I can't handle this poor puppy over here. Makes me sad.
The good thing about being here in Las Vegas is they have absolute experts in everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're taking her, of course, to the best of the best, because, you know, she's our baby. So we gotta go in. I'm sorry.
We have 3 minutes to get in, Pistol.
Okay, we better go. Oh. Okay, we dropped her off. That was so sad.
She was almost crying.
She didn't want to go.
No, she put the brakes on and was sliding across the room.
So we might not be picking her up until 6 p.m., which is kind of a long day.
That's a good thing we're going to go on a long, tough hike. Keep our mind off of that.
It is going to be tough. Let me tell you, the last time we went up there, I was in a lot better shape. So I'd been a lot more active leading up. And I remember still being a challenge.
That was 3 years ago, and we just got our first camera, learning how to use a GoPro, and it was the session. Mm-hmm. We'd never made any type of movie, never done any of this type of editing, and that was our very first video you ever made, was Turtlehead Peak.
Yeah.
Right before we went full time.
Yeah. Yeah, it was before we headed out. Wow. That
We'll have to go watch that video and see how much you've improved. I bet it's a lot.
I don't know. I kind of reached a certain level of knowledge when it comes to putting these videos together, and I haven't gotten better, because I know just enough, and if I know more, it'll become a job. You know what I mean?
You do it for fun. Do what you want to do.
Right, I know enough just to keep it fun for me. If I have to learn anything else, it's not gonna be good.
And when you start waiting for a new video and one never shows up, you know it stopped being fun for Irene.
Yeah, exactly.
We'd have to come on and do one more video and say bye.
Oh my gosh. I can't imagine that happening, only because, for one, I love talking with you guys and the feedback and making all these new friends. And but also, when I am a very old person, I'm going to love to look back at my life, you know?
I already do. I mean, if we hadn't started making these videos and documenting all this, I mean, in the last almost 28 months of traveling, I mean, we've crossed the continent like 8 times.
Yeah. And
seen so many things. And I mean, it's one continuous adventure, and we have it all documented. It would just be a bunch of, we'd have thousands and thousands of pictures, and like, where was that?
I mean, I honestly can picture us when we're old still making videos, like in the assisted living facility. Like, I'll show you what we had to eat that day. I'm not kidding. kidding. Because what a very interesting thing to leave to our boys, and if they have kids, their kids, and wouldn't that be something?
Wouldn't it be something?
It is something.
Yeah. What if your great-great-grandparents had the ability to document some adventure, like coming west on the wagon trains, but they didn't do it?
Not that we're doing anything as epic as that, but...
No, I'm just saying, but the history of, I mean, what your ancestors did.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
instead of looking at a picture and not knowing who they were, or, you know, personalities and character and...
Yeah, I wish I had a video of my grandparents. I was so close to them, and I just have some photos, but so that's kind of a cool thing to do.
Yeah. All right, let's get up that mountain. We stopped at the grocery store. I'm gonna go in and get a scone. That'll be a good pre-hike. Scones. I know. I haven't been making any because we haven't been camping.
Isn't that weird?
I only cook good food when we camp.
We haven't made bread. We haven't baked anything.
I have a huge kitchen. I'm really struggling to figure out what to make for meals.
Well, in 1 week, we will no longer have access to anything but the van.
Yes. I'm so looking forward to that. I've missed my van. These are the two things I've loved about the condo. Not loved, but really liked. Being able to wash laundry at a moment's notice. There's no planning laundry visit.
Let me guess. Baths.
And baths. I've been taking baths. I got some bath bombs. I've been bathing it up every night. And we have a huge tub in there, so I've been enjoying that. But you know what? I would not give up this van in exchange for a bath and laundry.
We'll go back to eastern Montana at that Tongue River Winery, and we'll take a bath in Tongue River.
Yeah.
Because that was warm as bathwater.
So
I'd rather be camped by a river than living by it with a bathtub.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're rambling.
Oh, I was going to ramble some more. It was so funny. We're packing our backpack up for all the stuff we want to take hiking, and it's like, oh, what are we going to take? Because we have to go to the vet and then go to the trailhead. I was like, we don't want to forget anything. That's the one thing that I love about the van more than anything, is everything we have is always with us. It's like, let's go hike. Hop in the car, drive to the trailhead.
Yeah, so we had like half the stuff in the condo and half the stuff in the van, and we don't want to forget things, and we're packing and checking the weather, and...
Oh, our life is so complicated.
No, but I mean, we're just being honest that these things are interesting things that we wouldn't normally think about, but...
You never have to plan a trip or anything. You can be so spontaneous. If it wasn't for this pistol appointment, we could just be, hey, let's go to Death Valley today.
Yeah.
Let's go to Death Valley and just go.
It is not, like, this van is our bug out bag. It doesn't matter. We could go anywhere, you know. So.
Well,
all right.
Some people said they want to see us ramble some more. So there they go.
Okay, let's not get carried away.
All right.
All right, up the mountain we go. Here we go. We're at the trailhead for Turtlehead Peak.
It's cold.
Yeah, now what did we decide? It's about 2,000 foot elevation gain.
Most of that's in the last, well, half 2 miles.
Yeah, it's a 5 mile round trip.
Yeah.
So we're thinking, probably, I want to take my time because I'm not going to be able to rush this one, I don't think. It's very cold up here right now, and it's really moody today. Lots of clouds, and it's beautiful up here though, really. Yeah, you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
I'm already wore out. We haven't even begun to climb. There it is. We'll see what the visibility is like up there.
You can't see the van.
Yeah, way out there.
We've only walked for 15 minutes.
Oh my gosh, I'm already so tired, you guys. I'm not kidding.
Oh, come on.
What are we, about an hour into it? How far have we gone?
Almost a mile and a half.
Not bad.
This is where it starts to get real steep up through here.
Straight up.
And wind around and top of the peak up there.
Still gotta climb.
Warmed up, baby.
It did. Kept having to shed layers. I don't have any more to shed.
Get up this thing here.
Getting close. We made it! There's a helicopter we're looking down on. It's pretty foggy up here.
This will be the best, worst view in Vegas.
It's pretty cool.
Right there in the fog. Or the clouds, I guess. Not fog. Here's the parking lot.
Yeah.
We have to go way out around though.
Wow. So much for the nice view up here. How long did that take us?
Hour and 45 minutes.
Hour 45, and it was 2.5 miles, eh?
Almost.
Yeah. Wow.
Whoa.
Whoa, don't do that.
Oh my gosh. Look at that, just point down there. Wow.
Oh, that is really pretty with the sun on the rocks down there. That's Red Rock Canyon. Now, what are these? The mountains?
The Madre Mountains.
The Madre Mountains.
Over there, this is that whole Red Rock Canyon. And then over there is Calico Basin.
And the Strip.
Yeah.
The Strip is in that direction.
It's funny because we could see it on the way up, but we're above the clouds here.
They're rolling in too. We're getting more and more fogged in.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna stop this.
Okay, so our van is actually right down here in the parking lot. Yeah, somewhere around in there. And just like that, it's clearing up. There's the Strip for you. Way over there. And I'm glad we're way over here. So cool. So cool.
Look at the colors down here. Look at the canyon now.
Wow.
The Madre Mountains are epic. We're all alone.
Yep. What goes up must go down.
We'll take a shortcut.
Yeah.
Don't even.
Right over the edge. You first. All right, let's do this. Man, we couldn't have timed that better. It's starting to get breezy and
Pull
cold.
all the clouds off the top of the Madre Mountains. Huh?
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, and we just got a call from the vet. She's out of her dental procedure. She's in recovery, and we pick her up after 6 tonight. So she did good. Yay!
Mama's happy.
I'm excited. I'm happy.
I gotta get a sweat going back up here.
Oh yeah, we're getting too cold. We gotta keep moving. Pistol, another bandage on your arm. What in the world? Here's a good puppy. Yes, you did good. They said you did good. So she did good, but they did take 2 teeth out, which was unexpected. But it was 2 molars.
They said they're like wisdom teeth for us, unimportant.
Yeah, but they were not good. So they pulled those out and they sutured them up. And so we have to come back in 10 days, which actually puts us past the timeline of when we thought we were leaving. But you know what? We're gonna do what we gotta do. So
we're gonna go. Well, we're not gonna have a condo here in a few days. So
yeah, we do have some plans to be out at the campground here at Red Rock. I think next time we see you, it will be St. Patrick's Day. So maybe we'll be doing some St. Patrick's Day camp cooking, and perhaps the green jumpsuit should make an appearance.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's St. Patrick's Day. If I'm not going to wear it, then when am I, right? So,
awesome.
Stay tuned for that. We're going to be on the mend.
So she's got to be eating soft food for a couple weeks.
Yep.
Which means basically her hard food gets soaked in water for a few minutes first.
She's probably not going to complain about that.
And all the green beans she can eat.
Yes.
Let's go feed her.
Okay. All right. Let's get some food in this girl, and we'll catch you on the other side.
Carry on.
Carry on.